Listen and read. A. Call. Courage. Invent. Investigate. Lie. Occasion. Reward. Suppose. B. Call. 1. To call somebody by his/her name, nickname, surname. Her name is Elizabeth, but we call her Liz. What do you call this piece of equipment? 2. I'll call you back in the evening, shall I? 3. He called to the driver to stop. Courage. To show, demonstrate courage. To have the courage to do something. Sometimes it takes courage to tell the truth. Alan showed real courage, saving the children from the fire. Invent. To invent something. Who invented the microscope? Anton von Leeuwenhoek did, a Dutchman who lived in the 1600s. When was printing invented? Investigate. To investigate something carefully. The police are investigating a terrible crime. This mystery is not easy to investigate. Lie. 1. To tell a lie, lies. Don't believe her, she often tells lies. 2. To lie about something. John is very honest, he never lies. Please don't lie to me, I want to know the truth. Occasion. On this occasion. A special occasion. An occasion for something. I think we can leave a little later on this occasion. It can't be an occasion for celebration. Reward. To reward somebody for something. To reward somebody with something. He always believed that his company would reward him for his good work. Though the work was hard, they were rewarded with success. Suppose. To be supposed to do something. To suppose so. Do you think the train will arrive on time? I suppose so. He supposed the place would soon look different. We were supposed to finish the work by Friday.